Welcome viewers to the Dragster Shop and Transmission. Back to work on the 98 Blazer, Chevy Blazer. And this video is just a how-to video on to make yourself a clutch fan or fan clutch removal tool. Now you can go out and buy them. They're not much. They don't cost much. You don't get much. So I just went ahead and made one out of some 1/8 inch for the handles, 3/16 for the area that's going to be handling most of the torque. So what you do is, you see I made this one to crack the nut loose on the fan, right there. And then I made this one to put in the fan bolts, where it goes into the water pump. Now, the kit that you buy comes with a little short piece of metal for this. And then you have to put a ratchet in there. Well, to me, that's a little bit of a knuckle buster, maybe. I don't know. So, what I'm going to try to do is show you that this works. If I can set up the camera here somehow. Don't think this is going to work. Yeah, right. That's not going to work. I'm using my phone, so kind of hard to stand this thing up. Trying to find a spot on the car, on the vehicle. Okay, maybe you can see it right there. Okay, so these are 13 millimeter. Get you a 13 millimeter wrench, boxed in. Turn it backwards. Keep your hands away from the fan blade. And then you just break them loose. Break 2 of them loose. Take them completely out. Install your holdback tool that you made. If you can cut metal and weld, you can make one of these in probably an hour. It took me about 45 minutes to an hour to make this up. Now, I'm not done with it, but after all, we're doing stuff, we need stuff to work, not necessarily look pretty. So, once you take your 2 bolts out, install your holdback tool, put your bolts back in, and make sure you tighten them up. You don't have to get them torque tight. Just snug them down real good. Otherwise, you could bend the bolts. But just make sure they're tight. And then take your tool for the nut. Install it. Now, I like to do it with the holdback tool kind of away from me, so that when the nut breaks loose, I don't come back and hit my other hand or cut myself on the tool. Boom. And there you go. So if it takes you about an hour, say it takes an hour and a half to make it, big deal. Like I said, when you go out and buy one of these tools, they're kind of pricey for what you get. And I think that by the time you run and get one and then come back, you're going to have at least an hour invested in running around. I don't know. Depends on where you live. If you're doing this in your home garage or out in your driveway. So anyway, just pretty straightforward. I just cut a square out of the 3/16 plate, and first thing I did was took the big adjustable wrench, and then I went to where I kept adjusting it out and tightening it up till it would fit the nut. Fit the nut pretty well, and then I laid it on piece of flat stock plate, whatever you want to call it, then took a Sharpie and marked it. and then just ground exactly on the marks. Cut, I mean, exactly on the marks. And then just, kept. That's what takes most of your time. Is because you don't want to go too big, because then it'll slip on you. And then, ouch, that would hurt. So, hopefully this helps somebody that's maybe short on cash, but got some extra materials laying around. You can make this yourself. It's not hard. Like I said, about an hour, hour and a half, depending on how efficient you are. I don't know what I'm trying to say there, but all right. Well, guys, I hope this little do-it-yourself video helps you out, save you some money. You're gonna have the same amount of time in it, whether you're going out and getting it yourself, or getting one already made, or you make it at home. Or you make it yourself. I guess you can order them off Amazon. I haven't even looked, but I'm sure you can. So anyway, all right. Well, there you go. I appreciate you watching. And if you haven't done so, click that subscribe button to my channel. Hit that notification bell. Click all for other upcoming videos. Give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And like I said, subscribe. Thanks for watching.